and be given to people here in California. Since 2020, we have learned so much about protecting ourselves and our communities from COVID-19. And one of our most important lessons learned and tools is that vaccines are our best protection against severe illness and death from COVID-19. Almost 80% of our Asian American population in California has been vaccinated against COVID-19 with the primary series. This protects not only us as individuals, but our grandparents, our aunts and uncles, our brothers and sisters, and even the youngest members of our families. As individuals and as a state, we have made great progress in fighting this pandemic and protecting our communities, but we cannot let our guard down, especially now. During this winter holiday season, it's critical that members of our family get vaccinated. And if you haven't already, get the updated booster as well. COVID-19 is not going away. Fortunately, California has made significant progress in fighting this virus, and we've seen what works to protect our communities. We're applying resources and tools to reduce risks and keep COVID-19 in check. As a physician and a parent and a daughter, I am confident because the data shows that these vaccines and boosters lower the risk of getting and spreading this virus, getting severely ill, and experiencing long-term impacts from COVID-19. I've made sure that not only I'm up to date on my vaccines, but my whole family, including my parents and my children. We've seen the value of staying home if you're sick and testing for COVID-19 and getting treated to help limit the spread of the virus. This protects our households as well as our whole community's health. One of the many lessons we've learned during this pandemic and habits we've made are to limit the spread of germs by wearing a mask in indoor public places. This is especially important for those of you that may be elderly or have underlying medical problems, but for all of us, it helps keep us safe. During this pandemic, Californians have made so many sacrifices, working tirelessly to reach out and care for those most at risk. Our healthcare and our public health workers have worked around the clock. Families have supported each other. We've seen so many different efforts on the ground to get vaccines into arms and help protect our communities. I am so proud and incredibly grateful to every individual and all of those who work together, taking action to protect our families, our neighborhoods, our communities, and our whole state. During this pandemic, we have seen the value of following the science and seeking out reliable and expert sources of information. I urge anyone who has any questions about COVID-19 vaccine or treatments to talk to your healthcare provider.